How to change Coinomi password, reset password on Coinomi account. If you would like to change your password on Coinomi account, maybe because you forgot it or you just want to change it for some reason, either way it's quite simple to do so. All you have to do is first launch the Coinomi app, and this is the type of interface you will see. So when you tap on this, at the very top left you can see the three lines icon. Just make sure to tap on the three lines icon right there. There you can see default wallet, open the drop down menu, and here you can see manage wallet. So go to the option that says manage wallet. Once you're here in manage wallet, right here you can see default wallet and you find the three dots. So when you tap the three dots, one of the options there will be change encryption. So make sure to tap on change encryption. Now when you tap on change encryption, what happens is you will see this type of option that says to enter your password. But what you want to do is tap on this little option that says forgot password, and when you tap the forgot password button, you will be able to verify a couple of details, and as a result you will be able to change your password on Coinomi. That's all it takes for you to change a Coinomi password. I hope that this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.